So side scan when you're muskie fishing, the beauty of this time of year is Luke has us trolling a lot of areas where these ciscos are coming up to spawn. And the cool part about that is most of those areas are just sand or gravel. So that gets right back to an area where we depend on our side scan a lot. Anytime you have sand or gravel, a bigger muskie mark, you know, that's 40 to 55 inches long will show up and will really stick out well. The reason that we use the side scan in this scenario is as we're trolling along some of these points, saddles, or break lines, and we don't get bit, but we know there's fish there, it enables us to go back during a feeding window, just like normal muskie fishing, and then just kind of raise our odds of actually catching a fish. So I'm going to show you some screenshots of some fish that really stick out easy on the Lowrance Sidescan. So right here, we have a classic case. We have sand on the left side of the boat, there's some ciscos sitting there, and then a nice big mark right in the midst of the ciscos. And on this one, there's a fish that's on the left and it happens to be facing us, but still it's a suspended fish and it has a nice circular shadow facing the cone and it sticks out like a sore thumb. So we've actually had twice today that it's happened where we've marked fish on the outside, they're 60 feet to our left, and then sure enough our outside board goes back. So when you start doing stuff like that, it really makes you feel confident in using your side scan. So like anytime when you're fishing, have your side scan on. It's going to give you some clues of the areas that are holding muskies and rely on it to determine when you're going to go back and fish for those fish.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.